We also have election administrative costs, which is 92,311,591,396.58. We have election technology costs, which is 209,205,589,977.70. And finally, we have the election capital costs, which is the sum of 154,904,529,641.94. The total proposed budgets for the general election is the sum of 832,169,906,287.67, with a miscellaneous expense of 41,608,495,314.39. And now the grand total is 873,778,401,602.08.
The envelope system should be set aside and allow what INEC believe they need to prevail, so that in return they will have no excuse to Nigerians. We can't eat our cake and have it. In your opening remark, you said, we want democracy, it's not cheap. Even though I recognize that it's democracy to free resources, also to work. But I don't want us to reduce anything INEC has asked for in return. As President Tinubu has had to tell some service chiefs, in return, Nigerians will not tolerate excuses. And the Minister of Finance have to be advised, he not being an elective person, to be sensitive to what the electoral body needs, so it doesn't delay releases, because a lot of the items, I assume, are made on order. You can't go to my village and say, I want to buy beavers. We don't sell. Or I want to change beavers to another more efficient device. It's not in the shelf. So all of this take into account. My plea, sir, is that
following what we are doing too, so that you look at them and see whether this budget, because there's an increase now, so will it be adequate? So that if we are making a proposal, we make a proposal, adequate proposal.